first step to make jam is to sterilize your glass jars, which you can do easily in the Varoma dish. You're going to place your jars sideways into the Varoma dish and go ahead and set that right on top of your mixing bowl lid. Once you have your glass jars placed in the Varoma dish on top of the Thermomix, go ahead and set the temperature to Varoma, and the time is going to depend where you live. So it's starting at 10 minutes, and they say for every 1,000-foot elevation gain, you want to add 1 minute to that. So for me, I'm at 6,000 feet, so I'm going to set mine to 16 minutes. Then go ahead and set your speed to 1 and cover your Varoma dish. So now that your jars are sterilized, you're ready to make your jam. So today I'll be showing you how to make strawberry jam, but you could use any fruit that you'd like. So in this basic jam recipe, you won't need to use pectin. Pectin normally is a plant fiber that holds the jam together. If you don't have any pectin in your pantry, no problem. You can use lemon juice to lower the pH because it's really acidic, and that will cause the same type of bonds to occur with the natural pectin inside the fruits. I'll be showing you how to make it without pectin, so you'll need fruit, lemon juice, and sugar. The general rule is that you'll want to use half the amount of sugar to the amount of fruit that you're using. So I'm using about 2 cups of strawberries, and I'll be using about 1 cup of sugar. So next I'll add in my sugar. And for the lemon juice, the rule is for 2 cups of fruit, you'll want to use a half a lemon juiced. So I went ahead and squeezed half of a lemon into here for the juice, fresh lemon juice. And I'll go ahead and add it to my 2 cups of strawberries and 1 cup of sugar into our mixing bowl. So here we have our ingredients for strawberry jam. And go ahead and put your lid on top of the mixing bowl. And here I have it set to 38 minutes. You'll want to cook it between 35 and 40 minutes at Varoma, which is the highest temperature setting on the Thermomix. And you'll go ahead and set it to speed 1. Once you've placed your lid on top of your mixing bowl, go ahead and place the Varoma dish in place of the measuring cup so that steam can escape while your strawberries are cooking into jam. Our strawberry jam is finished. So I've had this bowl in the freezer for a couple of minutes, and we're just going to put a few drops of jam inside to see if it's jelly-like or not. If not, you can cook it for a few minutes longer. So here's what it looks like inside. So when I move this around, it should be thick and jelly-like and moving really slowly like a gel. So this looks really good to me. And as it cools down, it's going to thicken even more. So I've gone ahead and filled 2 of these jars with our strawberry jam. And this recipe with the 2 cups of strawberries will make 2 small jars like this. You're going to go ahead and leave them out to cool. I usually leave mine for a couple hours before sealing them with the lids, and then you can store them. You can store your jam in a cool, dry place for about 6 months, and once you open it, keep it in the refrigerator, and it will last 3 months in the refrigerator. That is how you make homemade fruit jam in the Thermomix. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message.